Trees are interesting. It's like you start out from your own nerve endings and your inner body and synapses within your mind. It's like everything branches out both down and up. And it's like we're all one with the world in some sense or the other. And it's like the world branches out infinitely into the universe. It's like you can't become one with everything. And that's how you find your own infinite being, I assume. I can only imagine. We're all infinite, though. But it's like the higher you can climb, the higher you go. There is no limit. Infinite is infinite. Trees can teach you, nature can teach you how to really exist properly, you know. Take in the negativity, breathe out the positivity. Even though we're beings who breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, we should be like breathing in the carbon dioxide spiritually and giving out the oxygen. Cannot think of a better way to be rather than breathe in all the positivity in the world and give out nothing but negativity. It's such a waste of breath. You know, be like a tree. Be like nature. You know, I keep forgetting the woods are behind me, not in front of me. So I was looking at them. You can like wake trees up. You can wake nature up. Sometimes you just have to disturb it a little bit in a peaceful way. Just be like, hey you, you're in there, right? You think about how nature brings in light. Realize that you too can do the same, even without chlorophyll. It is a piece of your body. You don't need to be a tree to be a tree, you know, to be a leaf to be a leaf. Reading about spiders, how they form their webs, and how easy it is for them to create a reality for themselves, which is cool. You know, they reach out and grab something and then make it so. Reach out, grab something and make it so. You know, sometimes I'm just a string and a prayer. You know, just a whim and they go with it. You know, some spiders that get really good, they like catch bugs in their web as they're weaving it. It's how they guarantee themselves food. You know? Think about moles, how they live underground, how they have to sense because they're so blind, and how the vibrations of the world around them become their eyesight. Like they could see better than we can see because they hear. If they hear the heartbeat in your chest, they can hear you breathe, and it gets to the point where they can make out every single like detail. And you think about like, how do you know? And you know, and here's a little trade secret. Good luck, good skill. That's what tails up means. It's good skill. Mushrooms are interesting. When you eat them, it's like all of a sudden you will become like the world around you. It's like mushrooms, they like become everything around them and forget about being themselves, and they just sit there like, So it's kind of like, you could be everything around yourself except for you, or you could be yourself and see everything all around you. It's very interesting. And it's not like mushrooms can't poison you. They can. It's just they're not as deadly as people say, but there are differences. A purple spore tends to mean a psychotropic mushroom. I've been told don't eat red mushrooms, but I've eaten red mushrooms, and I think it has to do a lot with like the properties of the color red, which is like, how it puts itself out. And remember, if you want to reach the sky towards heaven, your roots must stretch all the way down just the same to it as well. Because in the beginning of Genesis, it says that the firmament, both below and above the waters, is heaven. So heaven is down there. Heaven is up there. We exist in the earth. The dry land. The water is the sea.